Today, in this video, I'm going to explain how to fix controller drift PS4. Method 1. Gently pull the analog stick, then push it to upside, then rotate one time. Repeat this step. Method 2. Push the analog upside, then press the bottom of the analog with the thumb. Do this gently. Method 3. Press down the both of the analogs. Press about 30 seconds. Then rotate both analog stick in clockwise. Rotate for about 5 times. Then rotate 5 times counterclockwise. Then press down the both analog sticks. Press down for about 30 seconds. By following the steps, you can fix controller drift PS4.
This video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.